Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Special thanks to our Vision viewers who have grown with us. Please join the community, subscribe now and stay updated. US appeals court upholds TikTok ban law. What's next for the platform? The ruling intensifies concerns over national security, free speech and the future of TikTok's 170 million US users. Pop culture and art. US appeals court ruling brings TikTok ban closer to reality. In a pivotal decision, the US Court of Appeals for the District of Columbia Circuit upheld legislation requiring TikTok's Chinese parent company ByteDance to sell the platform to a non-Chinese entity or face a potential US ban by 19 January 2025. The law signed by President Joe Biden in April 2024 aims to address national security concerns tied to TikTok's alleged ties to the Chinese government. Court rejects TikTok's constitutional claims. TikTok argued that the ban violates the First and Fifth Amendments, but the three-judge panel dismissed these claims, stating the legislation addresses a specific national security concern without suppressing free speech or content. The court sought Congress authority to mandate divestment to protect U.S. interests, emphasizing the risk of coverage manipulation of TikTok's algorithm by the Chinese government. What happened next? It ByteDance does not sell TikTok by the deadline. US app stores and internet service providers could face fines for hosting the platform. The Biden administration may issue a one-time extension, but without endorsement, a nationwide ban could be enforced. TikTok spokesperson Michael Hughes ex- expressed disappointment in the ruling, signaling an intent to appeal to the Supreme Court. The TikTok ban, unless stopped, will silence the voice of over 170 million Americans here in the US and globally, Hughes stated. ByteDance resistance and security concerns. ByteDance has repeatedly refused to sell TikTok despite increasing security from US lawmakers. Critics argue that the platform poses a national security threat, alleging that ByteDance could share user data with the Chinese government and manipulate TikTok's algorithm for propaganda. In defense, TikTok claimed to have negotiated a security deal with US officials, but the court sided with the government's assertion that the proposed agreement was insufficient. Industry and user reactions. Industry analysts predict a TikTok ban could dramatically shift the social media landscape, benefiting reveals like Meta, YouTube, and Snap. However, content creators and small business reliant on TikTok face potential setbacks. Patrick Tommy of the ACLU's National Security Project criticized the decision, calling it a dangerous precedent that infringes on free speech rights. TikTok users also expressed despair, fearing that no other platform can replicate TikTok's unique community. Political ramifications. The ruling has sparked bipartisan debate while Biden signed the legislation. Former President Donald Trump, who entirely sought to ban TikTok in 2020, has since reversed his stance, claiming that banning TikTok would only benefit Meta and CEO Mark Zuckerberg. With the ban set to coincide with the inauguration of President-elect Donald Trump, its enforcement and potential reversal remain uncertain. Key dates and implications. 19 January 2025 deadline for ByteDance to divest TikTok for or face a US ban. The Supreme Court appeal and political developments could altered at the platform fate. For now, TikTok future is the US hangs in the balance as legal, political, and public pressure continues to mount. Get your daily close of entertainment. Subscribe today for new videos every day. Thanks for watching. For more, have a nice time. Goodbye.